Welcome to Jazz Time. JazzTime.com is an online store that buys, sells, trades authentic luxury watches. We make these videos so our customers can easily choose the best watch for themselves in the comfort of their own home. If you like this watch and would like to purchase it at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at JazzTime.com. Today, I'll be reviewing the Cartier Panthere de Cartier watch in stainless steel, reference WSPN0016. I'll tell you a little bit about the case, bezel dial, bracelet movement, finally try it on and give you my thoughts. So let's start with a little bit the history. Well, the Panther is one of Cartier's most notable collections. Now, Cartier is known for making very avant-garde, interesting, strange watches in the sense that the shapes are all quite different. They make, for example, the Panther that you see here, which has this interesting square shape. They also make a Santos, which also has a square shape. They make a Blanc Bleu, which is their circular watch, but it has sort of a funky crown. And they make a Bagnor, which has this sort of elliptical or oval shape. And they make the Tank, which has a rectangular shape. So all their shapes are quite funky. They only have really one circular watch, and that circular watch even is a little funky in itself. Cartier. Okay, so anyways, this belongs to part of the Panther collection, and it's probably, I would say that probably the two most popular lines are the Panther and the Santos. Those, maybe you could include the Tank. But yeah, but hard to say though. Almost all their lines are very, very popular. Cartier in general is very popular. In fact, I think last year in 24, they were like the second or third biggest by volume. Or not by volume, by sales. Rolex, of course, was number one. I believe Cartier or Omega was number two. Might have been Cartier. But anyways, okay, let's focus back on this watch. This is part of the Panther line. And let's start talking about a little bit about where this watch stands in the lineup. Now, the Panther is made in almost every variation you can imagine. They make it for actually both men and women. The larger one, they make it's the same watch. They just make a smaller version for women and a larger one for men. The one that you're looking at here is actually the large version. So they make a medium version, which could be worn by both men and women. And they also make a very small version, a mini version that definitely is going to be worn by women. Okay. All right. Well, what you're looking at here is the large version. So let's start. Well, what else can we say about the Panther collection? Well, they make it in every variation you could imagine. What you're looking at here is the most basic one, which is stainless steel and no diamonds. So it's your entry level Panther. Now they make the Panther in gold. They even make it with gold and diamonds. Different dial variations, etc., etc. There's a whole bunch of them. If you go to our website, jazztime.com, you can see all the variations and the prices of them, by the way. Okay, this one, as of 25, retails for $6,050, and we sell for less than that at jazztime.com in the 5,000s. And they're difficult to get. Surprisingly, you would think that the most basic would be the easiest to get, but they are in short supply at Cartier. So a lot of people are forced to either wait a very long time to get one. I'm not saying you can't get one at the 80, but you may have quite a wait at the 80. So another way to get it is going to jazztime.com. In fact, we get it at a discount, less than $6,000. And if you don't live in California, there is no sales tax, which makes it even better because most likely in your state there is sales tax, and that's going to be in the mid sixes out the door for you. And at Jazz Time, it'll be in the mid fives out the door. So that's quite a savings. Okay, anyways, let's start talking about the watch itself, starting with the case. The case here is, as you can see, it's a square case. The Panther is known for their square cases, and it's quite a beautiful case. The case design actually goes back quite long. I want to say something like 100 years. I don't know the exact number, but they're one of the first watch brands to do non-circular cases. People think that it's like AP or Patek, but I believe that Cartier was one of the first to do these funky designs, and they've stuck with it, and they've really made these non-circular head designs as part of their staple watch line of watches. Okay, with that said, let's talk about the dimensions here. We're looking at 42 by 31, 42 millimeters going top to bottom by 31, and that would lead you to believe it's rectangular, but it's actually not. It's a square. If you just look at the bezel itself, then that is square. Of course, the watch fits on your wrist between the 12 and the 6 o'clock position, and that's why it's longer. But anyways, it's the largest that they offer for the Panther, and it can fit men actually, or women who like to wear larger watches, which is a thing, by the way. A lot of people like to wear these larger watches at the moment. Okay, let's look at the case thickness. The case thickness is a incredible 6.7 millimeters. Let's call it 6 millimeters. Even if it was 7, it doesn't matter, but it's super thin. And they achieve that by making the movement a quartz movement, not a automatic movement, which means it runs on a battery, which means it doesn't have all these parts that have to be layered on top of each other to create a very intricate movement. They can simply run it off batteries. And the benefit to that is that you never have to set the time again. You set it once and then it runs, and however long it runs. I think the battery lasts a few years. Yes, of course you have to change the battery after a few years, but that's not a big deal. Most places can change it for like $20, $30, so it's not a big deal. Okay, let's see. Let's move on to the next part of this. Oh, I guess since we're talking about this case, let's just briefly talk about, they have really nice, for the price point, this watch being retail only $6,000, very nice edges here, sort of smooth edges that are well polished, and they look quite nice. It just makes the watch look very seamless, streamlined, and beautiful. Let's look at the bezel next, which also is interesting here because it's a square bezel, but it has the screws, or not really screws, but these sort of, what would you call these, pins that hold the bezel, that also look very industrial, kind of like an AP or a Nautilus, but in a Cartier way. So it really, it's quite cool, this bezel. All right, and then let's look at the dial now. The dial is your typical Cartier dial, which uses Roman numerals, and in typical Cartier fashion, they love this Roman numeral on their watches. Almost all of them have this Roman numeral. It's their trademark, I'd say. And this blue sword hands, that's also one of their trademarks. Why exactly they do that, I'm not sure, but it is really cool. And the crown matches. They also do the crown in blue, and I guess they call it a cabochon or something, but yeah, it matches the hands and looks quite nice. Okay, so that is that part. Let's talk about the bracelet. The bracelet here, I would say, is in some ways, I would say even iconic, because most people can see that this bracelet is very unique. It's very supple, having 5 links across and being very small. It means it's very form-fitting and fits. It looks great on the wrist, and it feels great on the wrist. That's one of the important parts. And yeah, this is undoubtedly the Panther bracelet. Okay, that is the bracelet. I guess I talked to you about all the parts. It's time for me to try this watch on my wrist. Now, I'm a man. I have a 7.5-inch wrist, and I weigh 200 pounds. So it's going to be a small watch on a man with my wrist size of like mine, but it's meant to be thin, sleek, elegant. It's not meant to be a big chunky watch. So if you want a big chunky watch, there's other watches to go with. Cartier even makes those watches. They make very cool Santoses that are quite large, etc., etc. But this is a dress watch, and so that's the function of it. But mostly, I want to say, mostly women are wearing these Panthers, and they are, they look very nice. So look, my thoughts are, it's a great, very simple watch at this price point. You know, I'm not going to tell you it's the best watch in the world, but it is a nice watch for the price point, and Cartier is a huge brand. So look, if you want to get into one of these at the lowest price anywhere online, click on the link in the description below to buy it at jazztime.com.
If you want to find out more about the watch you just saw in the video, you can just click below on Show More to see the full description. Then you can check the link next to model as seen in video, click on it, and you will get to the proper page where you can see all the details. If you're watching on a mobile phone, you have to click on the arrow down on the right hand side below the video to see the full description. If you like this video, please give us a thumbs up. If you would like to share this video with your friends, you can use the share button below and share it on any platform you like. If you have questions, constructive feedback, want to tell us about some mistakes or misspeaks, just write a comment below. If you want to see more videos like this, you should subscribe to our channel and visit our channel page where you can find all the videos. And if you're interested in a specific watch brand, you can check out our playlists If you want to check the price for a watch or want to buy one, remember at jazztime.com you always get a steep discount, so you should check the prices with us. If you want to know the price for a specific watch, just go to Google, type in Jazz Time, plus the brand, model and the details you're interested in, and Google will find the right page for you. Thank you for watching.